Hello friends, welcome back to our channel, where we make car care simple, fun, and stress-free. Today, we're diving into the brand new LAUNCH X431 V Pro 5.0 diagnostic scan tool, one of the most advanced, professional-grade OBD2 scanners on the market right now. Whether you're a dyer, a professional mechanic, or just someone who wants to know everything happening inside your car, you won't want to miss this. Let's get started. The LAUNCH X431 V Pro 5.0 is the latest flagship diagnostic tool from LAUNCH Tech. It's an Android-based touchscreen tablet that connects wirelessly to your car's OBD2 port using the new SmartBox 3.0 Bluetooth connector. This scanner isn't just for reading trouble codes, it's a complete vehicle diagnostic and service solution. Let's break down the standout features of the X431 V Pro 5.0. Full system diagnostics. It doesn't just read engine codes. It can scan and clear faults across all electronic control units, from ABS and airbags to transmission and even body control modules. Bi-directional controls. You can command components directly, like opening the electronic throttle, turning on the radiator fan, or activating the fuel pump for testing. This is a game changer for accurate troubleshooting. 37 plus special functions, including oil reset, EPB reset, SAS calibration, DPF regeneration, BMS reset, injector coding, TPMS reset, gear learning, and more. Advanced ECU coding and adaptations perform coding and programming on supported vehicles, allowing you to customize features or replace modules without dealer visits. OE level coverage, compatible with 99% of car brands worldwide, including American, European, and Asian makes, with deep system access and up-to-date protocols. Online updates. Get the latest software and vehicle coverage with a simple Wi-Fi update on the tablet. Remote diagnostics. Support for LAUNCH's remote diagnosis feature, so you can help customers or friends diagnose their cars from anywhere. Android 10 tablet hardware features a large 8-inch HD screen, 4GB RAM, 64GB storage, fast quad-core processor, and a 4850 mAh battery for all-day use. When you buy the X431 V Pro 5.0, you get the X431 tablet, SmartBox 3.0 OBD2 connector, USB cables and charger, a sturdy carrying case, manuals and quick start guides. Here's what I love about the X431 V Pro 5.0. Pros: super fast scanning speed, deep OE level diagnostics, huge range of special functions, excellent vehicle coverage, enhanced hardware and software. Cons: cost of updates after 2 years, limited support for older models, no built-in online programming for all brands. If you're a shop owner, a professional mechanic, or a serious dyer who wants dealer-level capability at a fraction of the cost, this scanner is a solid investment. So what do you think about the LAUNCH X431 V Pro 5.0? Is it the best scanner you've seen? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you are purchasing this scanner, please check out the links in the description below. If it did, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks like this. Thanks for watching, and remember, when it comes to car problems, you've got this. See you in the next video.